Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Andras Nagy. I'm the Managing Director of Zalakanti Foundation for Enterprise Promotion. Our organization is one of the biggest non-profit microcrediting organization in Hungary. And we are dealing with internet-based, in an internet-based system. And our topic, our presentation's main topic, is the internet-based information technology in microfinance. Okay, what is microfinance? You can hear some presentation from microfinance. I think the provision of financial services to micro-entrepreneurs under 10 and small businesses or those who are socially unprivileged, like in Hungary, like women, youth, over 50s, and unemployment people. These target groups usually lack of access to banking services due to the high transaction costs associated with serving these groups. The microfinance has a strong social mission, but in the western part of Hungary is stronger this social mission than in eastern part nowadays. Microfinance in Hungary. The Hungarian microfinance network is comprised of 20 local enterprise agencies as our organization throughout Hungary. The LEAs were initiated by local governments and institutions in the 90s. Our foundation was founded by 92, and our microcredit program is starting in 93. And with financial support of the EU in framework of fair accession program, because these countries wasn't part in the European Union at the time. The network mission is to contribute to the creation of employment and of sustainable economic development in Hungary. They offer a variety of financial and non-financial programs like internationalizations, incubator houses, clustering, and consulting. Okay, the EMN. The EMN is the European Microfinance Network. Was launched in 9 years ago with support of the European Commission. The mission of EMN is to promote microfinance as a tool to fight social and economic exclusions and fostering microfinancing in Europe. The EMN is the biggest microfinance network in Europe now. EMN set up 6 working groups in order to strengthen the involvement of partners like IT or innovation working groups, and the legal working group is operating now as well, and financing working group is operating now. The Hungarian members of the EMN are the whole Hungarian microfinance network, is 20 group, and the Fair Enterprise Agency and Credinfo. Credinfo is dealing with in a private company, but is depending on Fair Enterprise Agency, is dealing with internet-based microcrediting now. Okay. Some words from our Fair Enterprise Agency. Fair Enterprise Agency is very similar to our agency. Was based in 91 with the support of the European Committee. And nowadays, the Fair County is one of the heart of the Hungarian industry. Companies like IBM and multi-companies, Videoton, big Hungarian companies, bus factoring, and so on. Currently, its core activities, microfinance and dissemination of entrepreneurial knowledge. And at the moment, the number of active clients is over the 280, and the average loan size is between 11 and 37,000. In Hungary, nowadays, the average microcredit is 15 and 20,000 euros. In order to accelerate the credit management process, the foundation participated in the development of the internet-based complex service providing system. The name is Credinfo. You can reach it in Credinfo. What is the Credinfo? The credit information system developed by FEA and the Credinfo Ltd. The IT system completely suitable for handling the Jeremy microcredit program in Hungary. Hungary is relatively good in Jeremy, Jasmine, and Progress projects, mainly microcrediting and venture capitaling. In Europe, the percent is quite well in Hungary, but we must develop these quite good numbers too. The Credinfo system is currently used by 26 MFIs in Hungary, both for-profit and non-profit organizations, mainly LEAs, local enterprise agencies. Recently, it has been introduced in Norway by Microfinance Norway, this system. And Credinfo system offers financial and enterprise development services too, not only financial. But enterprise developing is very important part, consulting, mentoring, coaching, and so on. It's suitable for receiving and handling credit applications online and for managing their complete loan assessment online too. So it's parts. And this system, Credinfo, has some awards and international recognitions nowadays, like Microfinance Best Practices Award for Innovation and Sustainability 3 years ago in Milan, and International Microfinance Recognition Awards in London 1 year ago. And this is a membership in Luxembourg, presentation of Credinfo system at the European Microfinance Week, because European Microfinance Week is operating now, if you don't know. So last year at Luxembourg was launched in this Credinfo system. Okay, the member of official launch of Credinfo in Norway, Oslo, this year. And some overviews of the system. Basic functions, 4 basic functions has this system. One of them, the submission of loan applications online through the credit web shop. You know, you can attach for the Credinfo and you can reach this credit web shop. The second and very important role of this system is online assessment. You can, in Hungary, the loan assessment, it's committee, microcredit committees working for assessment, not one people, it's a committee. And this committee is, nowadays, is problem to sit among in assessment period, and it's easier in this online system. The third, easy and comprehensive financial analysis of client companies. Every client companies, as us, our company, can see the liquidity, the indebtedness, the profitability, the efficiency, and numbers of the microcredit activities. And the fourth, and last but not least, business partner search through company microsize. So this website is suitable for searching business partners, and there are a function in a information system between some companies. Okay, the advantage is easy and fast services available for everywhere in an internet connection, faster loan assessment, and the system can guarantee the necessary day-to-day data supply towards to the Jeremy Fund. It's very important to the European Union and the European Microcredit Network. Okay, some words from financial analysis. You can see some data and some figures like this one. So if you can reach this system, your own company and every MFI can show these data in day-to-day. Okay, the loan assessment. The loan assessment is interesting. One of them, some attachments. Who is the SME? What is the name? The main data of the company. How is the loan structure now? How is the assessment running in this system. So the assessment can be in this system. Okay, some back office. The entire internal records of system can be founded in the Credinfo back office system. Is a separate system that usual microcredit evaluation. This model forms an independent unit with its own database, which works independently in case of each MFIs. The back office system is full client and credit recording system, which can be used on its own as well. And data synchronization between the central Credinfo system and the back office system is done by a synchronizing module developed by us. Okay, and a new model, SaaS model, Credinfo software delivery model, software and service model. Clients don't buy the software, but they receive a constantly updated and development system with the necessary IT support. No initial installation costs, except from some minor expenses like translation and hosting the web server. The client pays a monthly lump sum for using this Credinfo system, and the lump sum can vary depending on the number of clients, portfolio, and so on. So it's a tailor-made internet-based system. Okay, and transferability. The system is complete, transferable to other countries, languages, and legal environments by tailor-made. Okay, and nowadays our project meeting in Hungary, we are planning our project meeting internet-based microfinance like as a special workshop in Hungary, and some of them are interested in. If I know well, Spain, Italy, Slovakia, and Estonia partners take a part in this meeting. The meeting place at Vonyarcvashegy is very easy to say, at the Lake Balaton. Lake Balaton is the biggest lake of middle of Europe, and you can reach Hotel Zenit, the hotel. It's a very good hotel for it, and the date will be at October 16th and 17th in this year. And we can accept the participants from 15th. 15th is Monday, and 15th can arrive these partners. And in 16th will be a little introducing this project. And the second day will be a practical things. You can try online with a laptop this system. Okay, the main topics of the training, best practices, and introduction of this Credinfo system. And we are waiting participants, it's 20 people, but somebody wants to take a part in it. And it's no in the project, it's no problem, please indicate to us. And we can accept some more project partners too. Okay, this is the hotel. This is the hotel to the Lake Balaton, you know, so the picture says everything, okay? The draft agenda, as I mentioned, the first day will be microfinancing in Hungary, participation at work of EMN, microfinance programs in Europe and Hungary, overview on the Credinfo system, our guest speakers, the director of the FEA and the director of the Credinfo will be, and the second day will be an interactive presentation of Credinfo system, testing the loan application, loan assessment, and other functions, and our guest speaker, Nandor Bencúr, an IT expert from Credinfo, and everybody needs only a laptop. Okay. Thank you for your kind attention, and if you have any question, please don't hesitate. Thank you.
Do you have any questions?
Andras, if you can say a few words more about this online assessment tool and how the process is organized then to a final decision of the loan. You mentioned the committee. How long it takes at the end until the microloan is decided?
Mm-hmm. The loan assessment is relatively faster than a normal assessment system. Nowadays, in microcrediting, assessment is 30 days in Hungary, and this is faster. Okay.
How many applicants a year you are having through the online system?
At the Credinfo, how many partners uses the Credinfo system nowadays? As I mentioned, that the 20 local enterprise agency, all of them in Hungary, uses this system. But nowadays it's not so popular that a personal system. But I think it's a time problems to introduce partners. And if I know well, 5 to 10 profitable partners uses in this system, but the main goal of this system is the non-profit area.
One more question. You have mentioned that the system was transferred to Norway recently. How it worked? What was the process? Can you tell a little bit about?
Mm-hmm. The microcredit system of Norway is very different from the Hungarian system, and our colleagues working to tailor-made solution for our Norway partners. And this introduction and contracting was in April or May. In this year, and nowadays starting this system. Okay, I don't know that data from Norway nowadays, but maybe at the October training we will get some data. And the system of Norway, if you are interested in, maybe you can introduce Credinfo maybe can introduce in the October training.